In a world of remote work, productivity isn't about micromanagement. It's about trust and transparency. Welcome to TrackLively, the all-in-one tool designed to help you track your team smartly, monitor progress, and streamline operations without the enterprise bloat. For startups and small businesses, we offer a robust, free forever tier. At $0, you get the essential tools needed to manage a professional team, including time tracking, task management, and screen capture. This ensures you have a high-performance foundation from day one, without any financial overhead. Whether you're a solo developer, a growing agency, or managing a global team, TrackLively adapts to your workflow. Our mission is simple: replace invasive surveillance with actionable intelligence. Let's look inside. The admin dashboard is your mission control. Beyond basic user management, you can monitor real-time system health, tracking CPU and memory usage to ensure your team's infrastructure is running at peak performance. With the Project Activity Dashboard, you can visualize exactly when tasks are being completed, allowing you to identify high-output periods across your entire organization. At the top right corner of the dashboard, you will see three main action buttons. The first is to add a new user. The second allows you to create a new project. And the third is to assign a user to a specific project. When adding a new user, simply fill in the required fields. Enter their name, email, and password. Then set the monthly rate and currency. Select the appropriate role from the drop-down menu, choose the salary type, such as weekly or monthly, and click Add User. To create a project, click the Add Project button. Here, you will enter the project name and description, and add the client's name. Next, select a team lead. The email list here is automatically generated from the users you created earlier. Set the starting and ending dates, choose the project status and type from the drop-down, and click Create Project. Once your users and projects are set up, use the Add User to Project button to assign your developers. Select the user and the corresponding project from the drop-down menus. Then click Add to finalize the assignment. Managing work is just as effortless. The Tasks module features a time and status overview, giving you an instant calculation of total hours logged versus task completion rate. By clicking the Add Task button at the top right, you can create tasks for a specific project. Enter the task name and description, assign a team member, and set the priority level. To ensure your team stays focused on what matters most. When it's time to sync, the Meetings module keeps your schedule tight. You can join calls directly with one click. And with our upcoming Google Meet integration, scheduling and recording will soon be fully automated within your workspace. All of this data flows into the timesheet. Here, you can visualize activity trends over a rolling 31-day period. By tracking average hours and peak activity, you can identify your team's high-performance windows and spot signs of burnout early. By watching for significant activity dip, you also have the flexibility to use the custom date filter to view specific timeframes as needed. Operations are just as streamlined. The manual attendance tool allows admins to mark the status of multiple users simultaneously, while the Leave module provides a day-wise view with status distribution charts. Whether your team is in the office, remote, or on a half-day, you have a clear, filtered visual of your workforce availability in seconds. Transparency is built in, not bolted on. Our website activity monitor doesn't just list URLs. It categorizes the digital footprint into a productivity split. At a glance, you can see the percentage of time spent on productive, neutral, or unproductive site. This data allows you to have informed conversations with your team about focus and resource allocation, based on actual usage trends. For team members, the experience is just as seamless. They will use the TrackLively desktop software to power their workday. From the app, they can start recording with a single click, pause whenever they take a break, and submit completed tasks directly. To ensure absolute accuracy without the hassle, the software also features automated idle detection. So you only track the time that truly counts. TrackLively, smarter time tracking for productive teams.